Hi folks, and welcome to another fast forward video. What does this cockpit need to be set up for cruising? Well, a cockpit table. So I sourced a nice plank of wood. It's actually a charcuterie board from Aldi. All I had to do was cut the handle off, and there we are, getting that cut off basically to make it a nice table shape. Okay, so how am I going to fix it? I got these stainless steel retractable brackets, quite solid, nice clunk to them. So what I'm going to do basically is have two of those to fix to the handrail at the front of the binnacle in the cockpit. Okay, so two of them, they'll carry the load nicely and looking good. Okay, so next we have to cut up some slats basically to put the edges on. Obviously anything on the water has to be protected from falling off, which they will do of course. So I got some slats, which I had some ready-made, not ready-made, but some planks lying around on the boat, which actually fitted the bill exactly right. Okay, so this is how it's going to look. Not fixed on yet, just measuring up for size. Okay, so now I've got the tabletop clamped in place, so I can then basically maneuver the slats into place, drill and glue and screw, and here we go. Okay, so just screwing that on, obviously all four sides, and looking good. I did some varnishing beforehand, so there is some varnish within the joins as well basically, so it's waterproof. Okay, I used these plastic clamps to clamp onto the rails, 3 per bracket, and that made a good solid base basically to hang it off. Okay, looking good. And another one on the other side, and there we are, all tightened up. It was a bit of a trick to get them parallel because they tend to move around when you tighten these clamps up, so just got to be wary of that. Okay, here we are, we've got the clamps in place. Now to place the table on top of the clamps, and then get myself down in the cockpit to work underneath the table to basically get the screws lined up, and here we go, the finished product. Happy with that. Nice solid clunk. Boom. Ready for cruising. Join us again in our next fast forward video. Thank you.